Welcome to Apple Tree Apartment, a 5-star residential development in Syokimau. Apple Tree Apartment is a 5-star residential development comprising of 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms with 3, 4 and 5 coming as duplex penthouses. It also comes with all the amenities that can help you get affordable luxury living. Apple Tree is being done into 4 pillars, with our first pillar being the nature. We neighbor Nairobi National Park, and you gonna be having the luxury of seeing or viewing animals straight from your apartment. And today we are going to show you samples of our show houses, 2 of them. One is our 127, which is a 3-bedroom plus DSQ, and the other one is a 161 meters squared, which is still a 3-bedroom plus DSQ. This is our type A, which is a 3-bedroom plus DSQ, 127 meters squared. As you can see, the sitting room is quite spacious, very big, and you can still extend it to the balcony if you want to have that good view of the Nairobi National Park. It comes with a very wide window that is covered in double glass for soundproofing. The kitchen is quite separate. It's also spacious and comes fully equipped with a 4-burner cooker, an oven, a twin double sink, and a hood extractor. The kitchen also has the access to the laundry balcony. This is bedroom 1, very spacious. It can be for kids or your visitors. It's also spacious and covered in a double glass again, which is very wide, giving you the view over the garden. And then this bedroom shares together with this bathroom. This is a common bathroom for the visitors and this bedroom. This is bedroom 2. It's en suite, again very spacious, with a large bay window for lighting and the viewing of the national park. This is bedroom 3, again en suite, very spacious and very well lit. Now you can make either this bedroom or bedroom 2 your master according to your own choice. And as you've seen from our bedrooms, they all come with a spacious wardrobe for storage. Something of great importance to mention about our bedrooms is that number 1, all the bathrooms come very well tiled, both the floor and the wall up to the ceiling level. All our bedrooms come in wooden floors and they are fitted with lights that can regulate your room temperature. Welcome to our type B, 3-bedroom plus DSQ, 161 meters squared. As you can see, the first thing that you see when you walk into the house is a space for your own imagination. Left, a servant's quarter, which is internal, and then there is a common cloakroom. And then here you have a common toilet for the visitors. This is an open plan kitchen layout, very wide and spacious, which is more of sitting room come dining and kitchen. The wide sliding doors give you a good view of the national park. And then at the twin double sink over in the kitchen. The kitchen also here comes fully fitted with a 4-burner cooker, an oven, a hood extractor, and enough storage. This can be your guest bedroom. It also has a wide, good view of the national park. And again, all bedrooms in this house come with double glasses for soundproofing. This one here, as you can see, is fully equipped as a kid's bedroom with a very nice kid's bed. Also, it offers that good view of the swimming pools and the garden. Then this one, it's a very big master bedroom with an inbuilt walk-in closet and extra space to sit and relax as you enjoy a good view of the swimming pool with a suspended garden. All houses come with a water heater, which is very efficient, a tank of 80 liters that can serve the entire house and still keep the water warm for a period of 48 hours.